friends, it's me, Sammy Mila, your host of Extra Sweet, and I'm here to ask you what you get when you take avocados and ice cream and put it together. Avocado ice cream! First things first, obviously, avocados. I've got 3 that are pretty ripe, 2 cups of cream going in with our avocados, sweetened condensed milk. Just gonna throw everything right in the food processor, super easy, vanilla, and salt. And we whip. So we can definitely stop here. We can transfer this into a loaf pan into the freezer, or me personally, since I'm a very visual person, I want this to have a little brighter color. I'm gonna add a couple of drops of food coloring. And this is avocado. That green might be a little bright. I'm just gonna put a couple drops of yellow in there too to kind of muddy that color up a little bit. So this is where we're at with our avocado ice cream now. You can kind of see how thick and luscious it is. I still have some chunks of avocado and I'm totally okay with that. Whether you under whip it or over whip it. Ideally you want it right in the middle because then that's when you get your like super melty, creamy, avocado-y, ice creamy, feely thing. You can literally just dump this into a plastic container or a loaf pan. Then the saran wrap is just for easy removal. Alright, put this right on top. Pull my saran wrap off to the sides. Again, press it right on top. No need to worry about sticking or anything like that because once it's cold, you'll be able to rip that right off, no problem. Put this as long as my tiny bowls that I filled and put that in the freezer, let it chill overnight, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna build all of these cute avocado toast things. Our ice cream froze overnight, and I've got a couple different kind of toast that I can try it on. This is a cinnamon swirl toast that I found at the grocery store that I thought was super cute. We've got a brioche here that's been toasted, and I have a couple slices of challah. So I'm gonna start with my little bowl here. This is the tiniest of the tiny, and then I'm gonna slice it. Like avocado slices. You can kind of see it's super creamy, it's going to be super luscious. I'm also going to show you a little trick of before scooping it out of the bowl. You can take a tiny scooper and kind of scoop a hole in the center so it kind of looks like there was an avocado seed there. I'm going to take our loaf pan and then I'm just going to take thick slice here right off the end, just like that. Put that right here. We kind of made a fake everything bagel seasoning with toasted coconut and some poppy seeds. Add some poppy seeds in there to mimic the sesame seeds. Since the challah bread is a little thinner, we're just gonna pop this guy over just like that and have a little ice cream sandwich. And that's it, a quick freeze overnight and you have yourself dessert avocado toast. Thanks for hanging out with me today and I will see you all next time. So cold on my teeth, but it's so good.